Waiting for my stream to catch up. Well, yeah. All right. All right, you guys. Welcome back to another one of my videos. Earlier, if you did watch the video earlier, I did say I would be dropping a double upload, and here it is, right here, man. I always keep my promises. I don't break my promises. I'm gonna start up a new game. Don't mention that one. Now, which save file was I at? I was just starting chapter whatchamacallit. So yeah, I'm right here, I think. Yeah, okay. We good. Let's get it popping.
I hate to break it out to you, but Salazar is dead.
Yes, it seems that way.
Sadler, why don't you give up and let Ashley go home?
Perhaps you are disillusioned with overconfidence.
Boys, that FaceTime in 2005.
My small-time subordinate.
Sadler, you're small time.
Oh.
You can tell this game in 2005. That was the worst joke I heard in years. I haven't heard a joke like that since I was a kid. That was a horrible joke. We're gonna get it anyway, man. It's still the best protagonist in any game, really. Turn this down a little bit. Turn this down. Alright, we are good. Okay. Oh, I do got my sniper back. Alright, cool. I forgot about this. How you even know I'm here? We're gonna bust this light so they can't be, yeah. I had. Jump! Just standing there looking at it. I'm gonna bait them across here so I can fight them 1v1. We're gonna go ahead. The sniper gonna have to take care of him. What firepower did I put on him? Oh, okay. He's not gonna die anytime. But yeah, we just gonna piece everybody up individually. Don't put it. Put the suplex in. He's just sitting there too. I wonder if he gonna jump across. Oh, was not expecting that. We had a time on. Okay. Yeah. At the help I met, I heard one of those can. Like I heard like 2 bullets from him to kill me. So I'm not. I landed that one. To be honest, once you take care of him, good. Until he resets the electric fire, now it's not gonna do anything. Then I up the reload speed. Alright, absolutely 0 damage was done to him. Finally. Ah! The rest of these I can just fight them solo. Oh, that was it? That's the problem, my boy. Alright, so I do have to fight them individually, because if I do fight like 2 many at one time, obviously they get to jump in and Oh, and the bow and arrow people on this island. They clearly not gonna come to me. Get some food places in. I'm gonna go this. Well, I hear people. Dude, the camera angle sucks. I want to get these suplexes in because they kill as fast as possible. See somebody with them little electrical poles. I do not want to be hit by one. Take like a whole bar on me. He all the way up. Hurry up. You got here fast? Where are those other people at? Yeah, you don't want to get hit by one. Or just balling. Basically, every weapon on this island is, you don't want to get hit. Dude, he's nothing to be made. Heal or something. He didn't down the first two places. He don't down this one. Man, that was crazy, man. Oh! Yeah, there it goes. Who got that arrow? Oh, who is that? You? Okay. But yeah, right there. I need to check out that plaza. That will whip me up right here. Okay. I don't exactly have bullets to give, so I try to like. I think that was the last of it. I'm gonna pop this. How many? I got 2 sniper bullets left, so I can't just be shooting it because I feel like it. So what I'm gonna do is, I believe you gotta come up. Yeah, I didn't want to. Oh, I didn't. Alright, I'm gonna just use this one right here. Save like every single bullet. I really don't have to do a thing. Yeah, just save you some bullets. I mean, it's a slow process, but I mean, on the island, you see the merchant less and less, so you don't want to have to save your bullets. Shoot, yeah. I don't want to shoot him, but I don't have bullets to give up. I shouldn't wait for sniper bullets. I mean, but what else would I kill? Alright, now all the enemies are dead. Still got, I got 136 bullets here. Let's turn this out a little bit. Yeah. I might buy a handgun. I don't actually. Yeah, 46. I might buy a handgun. I might. It wouldn't be the worst idea on earth. Buy me a little extra gun. Or I could buy a mag. Might end up in buy both. I don't know. Yeah. I think I want to dip into this, but reload everything. Yep. Make sure nothing goes on. He didn't even try. They didn't even try to hide space right there. Instantly revealed themselves. Get them out the way. I think I gotta terminate him. Ooh, that was crazy. Okay. So what I want to do is, let me see, where's the nearest merchant? Alright, he's right there. You know what? I'm gonna take out these enemies. Yeah, they're going right there. I want to draw their attention. There we go. They run kind of fast. Get the distance so we can get the double knife. Awesome shot. He just ate that. He ate that. I mean, he died in, bro. He ate that. Like he genuinely sit there and took dirt and everything. I'm at suplex him now. Yeah, that don't even kill him. I don't want to risk my knife again. You see how much damage it did? I was right. Y'all see how much damage it did? Literally, I was down in the red. A projectile could have killed me. I don't want to waste all these bullets. I'm trying to get the suplex animation off. They were not bad. You gotta shoot him now. He really... He ate like at least 12 knife flashes. Crap. Yeah, boy. Okay. Well, I did not think that was going to happen. He had a whole rocket launcher in it. Bro, get off of my... Where are you going? Okay, I clearly can't stop right there. Because if they kill the merchant, then it's over. So we're going to get them to the merchant. Get in the door. Alright, what's all up in here? Well, we got any boss fights coming up? That piano string did scare me. Cannot lie. I can see you. Alright, yeah. Draw him out here. That boy, look. I ain't gonna lie. He looking menacing. He's two backs off. Oh. You gotta hit your shots on these, man. Okay. I missed a nice flash. Suplex. He's not dead. Why? I don't want to waste all these bullets. But these things don't die. Oh. Awesome. Yeah, I'm forced to use my sniper here. No other choice. There's nothing I could do. Cans and jars, all non-perishables. Reminds me of the days of ore. Leon was an ore? Yeah, I didn't know that. You can look through this hole? Oh, that's a hole in the wall. That's true. I could have killed him just... Oh, I could have killed him. The easy way. Alright, reload everything up, because I do not know what's around the corner. There's something in here. Man, this game too long to not know what there's something. Oh. So he's gonna grab me. What he got on him? You died with 1,500 on you? What was he doing in here? I don't know. How about we find out and stop asking questions? It was a free hand grenade? Man, it's dirty. I don't even have a joke for that one. You win this one. Alright. You saw me. Not much I can do right here. I'm forced to fight. Where did he just go? Yeah, I want to draw him over here. Alright, sniper it is. Was trying to do, but whatever. Yes, I can hear you, Ashley, and I'm coming. Now without these rifles, and I'm gonna go. My handgun ammo, I'm about to buy one. I gotta buy one now. I got like 100 ammo. Man, that push was so soft. That boy saw the camera. Are they smart? Aren't they zombies?
Amateurs. Just hang in there, Ashley. I'm coming for you.
Are those not zombies? I didn't know zombies could be that smart. Alright, we on nothing to look at. This is a round of just turret ammo. Ah, merchant.
Got some rare.
Yeah.
What are you selling?
So we don't know satisfying.
What are you buying?
Then we gonna pick us up a nice
all?
Blacktail, the strongest handgun in the game. I gotta rearrange everything though. I'm gonna put the shotgun like right there. So now I gotta move all this stuff. I should have thought this through. But whatever. Or I think will I have to buy a rocket launcher? I have no idea what the next boss on face. We're gonna upgrade
Thank
the ammo kit on it. And I'm basically broke now. So whatever I run into, better have some more stuff for me. Let me get my health up real quick. I didn't even realize I was still low. Scoot this over. Now we just making as much space as we can for other stuff. I still want the grenades. I still want everything to go hand in hand, just with space. That right there, that right there, that right there, and yeah, we good. There we go. Cool. What do I want to use right here, my hand? That could have went wrong. Perfect. 2-piece. Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna have to spray them right here. Man, they eating bullets. It's still alive. Those directions. Yeah, they just hate my bullets. Can I walk through here now? I can see you. Ooh. Rifle ammo. Alright, we're gonna reload. Yeah, man, I need to fight like a boss or something. I have absolutely no gold. And I really can't use any of my guns like that. What is this? So that was pointless. Okay, we got a type right here. One crate. Some gold, bro. Okay. Don't want to save. Oh, this was the door that was locked from the other side? That's crazy. Why did I never jump down here before? Or look to the side? I didn't have to jump. Alright, so we're going this way. Nice grenade. Alright, so I got a nice grenade on me. Okay. Yeah, gonna have to fight him. Or, well, you know what? I don't think I do have to fight him necessarily. I wanna change blue. And the green. Or, should I change blue? Yes, I change. Bro, I didn't mean to do that. Yellow? Blue? Bro, this shouldn't be hard though. Red? Wait, that was stupid. That lines up with nothing. Green? And not red. Cool. Some of these puzzles be kind of easy, I don't know why. It's just that one. Yeah, that guy's dead. No, I'm losing. Okay. Alright, so there's another one here too. Mag ammo. I think that'll take these things away from Earth. Alright, so he's there. Cool. Why do I hear more than one? Why do I hear more than one? Alright, turn this down. Come over here. So this is clearly it's a sniper attachment, and clearly another one of those things has been awakened. Why so many though? Infrared scope is a nice thing. I missed it. There we go. So he's gonna give you some gold, fortunately. Anything else in this room I can look at? These bodies have been cyrogenized. Cyrogenized. Or is it chirogenized? I'll let you guys figure that out. I'm gonna say cyrogenized with the parasites still in their bodies. Sucks to be them. Yeah. This is the same thing. What the? I would hate to fight one of these. They're swinging. All of these are swinging. Let me go ahead and get them. Oh, we got another one of them boys. Firebomb them. Yeah, I never want to fight one again. Please don't make me. I have 13 sniper bullets. I intend to save all of them in case we do have to fight. Another hand grenade. Always nice. So we're gonna take 2 out of the time. I don't like. How did you hear a machine being operated? You're in the same room as the machine. How don't you hear that being operated? You just gonna hide. 0 brains on the zombie. But they know how to turn off the security cameras though. I missed! Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Yeah, he's coming. Yeah. He's making his way up here. I did not. Was it not on him? Am I tweaking? I don't know what I was complaining for, but still, I didn't want to have to waste it for it. That's like, to be honest, that's the only thing I'd be complaining about if I'm wasting bullets. That right there, that was a waste of a bullet. I could have even pretty 250 bullets in my TNT. I ain't gonna complain though. I ain't gonna complain. Chinese. Well, it's always nice to pick up any type of grenade. We're gonna organize our inventory. So right now I can get this. I'm gonna have to move this. I'm gonna have to move the scope. I know I'm gonna have to buy a rocket launcher in a minute though. There's some boss. Every chapter I have to fight a boss with a rocket launcher. There's gonna be something. And when that time comes, I have 0 face. Alright, we good. All set. Take up some more handgun ammo. I know there's 2 big guys right there. And you crazy if you think I'm gonna fight them. Yeah, you crazy. And they was charging full sprint towards me. I heard them some shit. Progress with the game, nothing in there. The entire room very slowly. Because if I walk in there, then it's real good. We're gonna try to do 1 boost at a time. Suplex. If I hear him against the door, I'm gonna kick him. Yeah. Let me, no, I'm good. Oh, great, there's 2 of you. Awesome. I want to separate you guys from the room. If you know what, let me use this. We got a bow and arrow. Take him out. Kind of just want to kick the door and that'll give me a little bit of, oh my god, I only have 34 TNT. Alright. I want to leave the door open. I know there's another one. I just heard somebody walking. It's always a joy to pick up sniper. Always. I got a flash on me, don't I? I'm gonna keep the door and stand back, because I don't know if he's like right here or not. I'm gonna kick the door, throw in the flash. That hit nobody. In fact, it's in that. I do got a bullet here. Oh, block it. I don't think you can open the door either. Unfortunate. If I get hit by that thing, I'm gonna be 1 HP. Dude, he can't open the door because I blew his top on? I'm not wasting another one. Alright. Wait for one of them to open it. Let them open it. They're gone. I hear it. Well, no, that's not another one. I need to throw another blast in there. Yeah. How is the plug still on his head? What am I doing? What am I even playing right now? When you throw a flash grenade at a zombie with a plug sticking out, he's supposed to auto die. I didn't hear him auto die. There. It's causing me a lot of problems. Go. Yeah. Let me check it out. Y'all got a flag in there, put on that way. Good. What does it say? Gibberish. What are these x-rays showing? No clue. Yeah, this is the same thing over here too. You really tried to face me? Yeah, he's not dead. I don't know why these zombies don't be down off of suplexes. Like I'm not putting y'all on your neck. You slam somebody on their neck in real life? You just don't hop up like this? Nah, I'm just let me let y'all enjoy it. Shotgun says, how many guys you pick up? Zero clue on how many. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? There are 2 doors here. Typewriter. I don't know. They're showing a lot of typewriters. I think that's a sign. So, you know, they hit the game. Ooh. Oh, it's another one of these rooms. So one of them boys gonna pop out. You know what? Rocket launcher could have been purchased by me. Let me just hit it on my mark. Hit your mark. That thing gets a plug, I'm dead. Yeah. There's one on his back. Guess we can upgrade their sniper when we see the merchant again. TMP ammo. Clutch. I was running out. E-card. Nice. I just broke something. This looks like living tissue. What? This is moving? Is that a cat's leg? Yeah, whatever. Get these open. Get all the heals I can get. Are these breakable? Or check. Or are they growing? What are they growing in these petri dishes? You know, he's asking a lot of questions, but not finding nothing out. Why are they doing this? Why are they doing this? I don't know. How about you ask? I'm gonna shoot this middle crow. Middle crows are good luck. Oh, that boy dropped me absolutely nothing. Like good buddy merchant.
Got a selection of what are you selling?
What can I sell on me? What do I have on me? Oh yeah.
What are you buying?
First thing I do want to do is get us some more of
Thank you.
I should put it at 20. Yeah, I'm put it at 20.
Come back anytime.
Can never go wrong with sniper bullets. Alright, alright, alright. We are good. No idea why I came up here. Just look at everything. I'm really trapped here. Yeah, is that the water? Yeah. I want to get back over there. I think that's where we first started, right over there.
This is Leon. Request backup. I repeat, request backup. Damn.
Did you really think that was gonna work? The radio signals being jammed. I can't contact no people. Well, I can contact these shotgun kills, so we're good. Wrap around here. Could I have ripped around the other way? Nope. Dude, I'm picking up a lot of herbs. Something's gonna happen to me. Oh yeah, that bird's dead. I'm shot him in cold blood. What shotgun shells did I miss? Another vault. Can't open it. Don't show it to me if I can't open it. Anything I can take. Anything. Not shotgun shells. Rifle ammo. Perfect. How did I get in here? Oh yeah, this way. Alright, so I have a key card to the storage room. Anything I can check before I leave? Just look at all these labs. I absolutely have experience with none of them. They restocked the road. Because I got a lot of sniper boots, I ain't know. Oh, my inventory is packed. I'm gonna need the rocket launcher. I already know I am. What monster can I fight that will give me? I'm gonna got spent on these other guys. 50K? What monster will give me 50K back? You know what? Oh, he's bad. That boy went crazy. Hold on. Everything. Start off with that. Hey, I'm gonna this be putting a feeling y'all. How did you get up? No clue. Oh, that hit me. Ouch. The better. I'm dodging bullets. Huh? Leave me alone. Armor? Yeah, I just wasted a ton of bullets. Got him right back though. It's the same thing. Yeah, I'm tripping. 50 Yankees in the black eye. Okay, bro. Yeah, that actually scared me. I didn't know I was gonna spawn right there. My bad for screaming in your ear. It's low. And cards. Oh my god, those are fast. Yeah, these are fast. Reload everything because I have no clue what's about to happen to me. I am gonna put my health up though. I always want to upgrade the health bar. So now I won't die to just anything. Oh, she's hiding in the corner?
You okay? Come on, let's get out of here.
Yeah, let's go home. Alright, guys, that's the end of this chapter. Let's see how long this video is. It's 49 minutes, almost a 50-minute video. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. Hope you guys enjoy these 50, I think I can say 50 uninterrupted minutes of just straight Resident Evil. No breaks, no nothing. I really hope you do enjoy it. Love you guys so much, and I will see you, let's aim for, today is Saturday, let's aim for Monday. I will see you guys on Monday, man. Love you guys all, and have a blessed day.